Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money on crypto.com. So in order to make money on crypto.com, first thing first, check your internet connection and make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. So the crypto.com app has provided users with some multiple ways to make money on crypto.com. So if you complete certain round or certain task, you get some certain points, and that is also one way you can earn money on crypto.com. And apart from it, mining, investing, trading are other ways to earn money on crypto.com. So in order to trade on crypto.com, you can either buy or sell cryptos, and accordingly you get a certain amount of benefits, bonus, and that's basically how you can make money. And similarly, you can also invest. After investing, you might also get certain amount of bonus or profits. So there are multiple ways you can earn money on crypto.com. Not just trading and mining are the only one. Trading, mining, and investing are one of the easiest ways to make money on crypto.com. So these were some of the ways to make money on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.